Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to show estimated delivery date on Shopify product page. So to show that, the easiest way to show estimated delivery date on Shopify product page is by using an app designed for the purpose. So Shopify doesn't have a built-in estimated delivery features that automate or update dynamically per product. So apps are the most practical solution for non-technical users. So you just start by going to a Shopify store and search for app like estimated delivery date or delivery timer. So this app allows you to display a delivery estimated like get in between May 5 or May 18 directly on each product page. After installing, the app usually gives you a simple dashboard where you can set delivery rules based on factors like location, shipping method, or a product type. You can specify processing time, cutoff time for same days, shipping, weekend, holidays, and other conditions. For example, if you know your warehouse ship items in a 2 business day and a standard shipping days, which is between 3 to 5 days, the app will calculate the estimated delivery range and show it live on the product page. Most apps let you customize the text, designs, and placement of this delivery info to match your store looks, all without editing code. Some apps can even display countdown timer or a dynamical adjust estimate based on where the product is located. So once set, this app update automatically, so you don't need to manage dates manually for every product.